What's good, YouTube? My boy Sean, and I'm back with another video. Ow! Wet. So, before I get started with this video, I know I'm a few days late with saying this, but I do want to say rest in power to XXXTentacion. It's really sad to hear what happened, and it's crazy because that could happen to literally anybody, and it's sad at the world we live in today, and it's just sad, honestly. But rest in power to him. I don't wish that upon anyone. And also, I just heard about someone else, 15-year-old kid that got pretty much stabbed to death. That's just sad. But rest in peace to both of those two men, those young kings. It's crazy. But we're not gonna make this video sad. I just want to, show my empathy, pay my homages, respects to them. But in today's video, it is not clickbait at all. This is taking out my 1-month-old braids. These things look disgusting. Okay, let me show you guys. Like, look at this. These joints is nasty. Like, this is real deal disgusting right here. Y'all see that? Hope y'all can see that. So yeah, probably was blurry, but yeah, I'm gonna be taking these out. But before I get started with just taking them out, they're kind of dry right now because I ain't do nothing to them since last night. So I'm actually gonna put my my hair care stuff in before I take them out. About that much. I don't need too much. Just something to get my hair a little moisturized. You know what I'm saying? Might add a little bit more. Apologize if it keeps going out of focus, you guys. Try my best to keep it in focus as much as possible. But if you're wondering the reason I'm doing this, because it's going to make it a lot easier and a lot smoother to take out these braids. And also when I do take them out, they're going to be nice and moisturized already, so I don't have to end up messing up the hair, creating a whole bunch of frizz, trying to moisturize them when they're already out. So next, I'm going to put in my olive oil moisturizing growth lotion. Again, I apologize if it keeps going out of focus. So, actually almost out of this stuff. Yeah, not too much of this either. Just kind of enough. It's very slippery. This stuff has a lot of slip to it. But it smells great. I'm trying to show you guys everything. Make sure you get the back of your hair really good. You don't want to just be getting parts of your hair. You want to make sure you get the whole head, ends and all. Actually smoothing these into my hair strands, especially on the ends, because it's harder to reach these with product. So I tend to squeeze them, try to get the product actually in there. Now finally, I'm just going to seal it off with some good old coconut oil. And the great thing about putting coconut oil last is, one, it helps seal in the moisture that you just put onto your hair, and also is going to be great for taking your twist out. It's gonna help it slide right through your fingers, so you're not, catching a bunch of tangles and having to struggle and fight your hair to get it undone. So I just put a little bit more on my hands, so now my hands are nice and oily. Pretty sure you guys can see that. They're nice and oily, and then I'm gonna start taking them out. For those asking, or going to ask in the comments, because I know it's gonna come, I know it is. I have a tip fade, alright? I fade the sides, and then I fade the back. And that's it. And I have a temp fade. Again, I have a temp fade, because I know you guys are gonna ask in the comments. I just know it. Some of y'all probably gonna troll, but for all the new people and stuff, I have a temp fade. first side is done. So what I'm not going to do is let you guys sit here and be bored while I do this. So I will be right back, and I'll probably come back when I'm almost done with my last one. So yeah, I'll be right back. Whew, okay. So I am finally done. Yeah, I didn't want to let you guys sit through that, because that was a kind of a long process, and I was trying to take my time, really, so that I could try to get the best results possible. Now, honestly, if I have to say, this is honestly my best braid out. In all honesty, this is probably the best result that I've ever gotten. Yeah, my hair is like super long, and the volume is insane, and I'm just loving it. My scalp is a little itchy, but I mean, that's expected whenever you take your braids out. It's like your hair can finally breathe. Oh my god, it feels good. It feels good, but my hair feels really healthy, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the routine that I did using those products basically every night. Really helped keep my hair moisturized, and I just kind of slept with a do-rag on just to keep it tied down, everything, you know, everything locked in. So yeah, this is a pretty fire braid out, I'm not gonna lie to you. This isn't my hair like fully stretched out, so it's definitely longer than this. Probably in a few days it'll definitely start to stretch out on its own. So within a few days it'll definitely be a lot bigger than this, and I have a lot more volume. But for today, I'm liking the results right now. Yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you guys are digging this, if you guys like it. But yeah, some questions that I know I'm gonna get in the comments is how long do I normally keep my braids in? What styles do you recommend for like growing your hair? And honestly, I always answer with try to strive for at least 2 weeks. 2 weeks is like, I feel like that's the minimum for you try to keep your braids in or twisting, whatever. And as far as like hairstyles that help grow your hair or whatever, what I do personally, I like to do braids. I feel like braids help my hair grow a lot, and leaving them in for a month, I really feel like I got a lot of growth. And also putting products in, keeping it moisturized, and putting oils in definitely helped in that month span to help it grow. Yeah, I'm really liking this. I'm really liking the results. It's pretty fire. But yeah, if you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, give this video a big old like. Today's poll question of the day is probably, who do you think will win in a fight between Goku or Naruto? You can answer that right up here down in the comments below. I want you guys to down in the comments below, tell me your favorite cereal brand. Mine is actually Frosted Flakes. Those are GOAT. Don't add me about it, those are definitely the GOAT. But comment down below your favorite brand of cereal. And yeah, that is probably going to be it for this video. Once again, RIP to XXXTentacion, and that young boy that just died. It's crazy out here. But y'all stay safe. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you have any hair questions, my social media is in the description. You can DM me on Instagram or Snapchat. Either one, doesn't matter. You can comment down below your question. It doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up now. Thanks for watching. It's been your boy Sean, and we out.